and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have a big tote for you guys. Now, funny thing is, I did not do a video in November of my empties video because I hardly had anything. I had like 3 items. Wasn't gonna do a video. Some of you guys like, oh, I missed your empties video. I didn't do it, and I don't want to do it if I got 3 items. It's not worth it. So I'm like, I'm just gonna do it for December and end with a bang. So I have a ton of stuff to share with you guys, what I've used, my opinion on a lot of things, and I don't want to bore you, so I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can. So as you guys know, I just had a baby almost 8 months ago. So I am using the Walgreens prenatal vitamins. I've been actually taking these for years. Between Walgreens and Walmart, I've been taking them. And I've been taking these since we've been trying to get pregnant. So I've been taking these maybe 4.5 years already. And I love it. I don't love it, but I just feel like these are good for me. Like, I feel like I don't get as sick as I used to be, or as I used to. So I like them. So we got that. I don't really breastfeed. I mostly pump. So I end up getting this fenugreek. Now, this was the fenugreek I think I got at Walgreens when it was on clearance for like 60 something cents is when I got them. But, hold on, it's not focusing. But, I got a new camera, so it's like not gonna focus. But I ended up getting this, and it worked great. And then now I just get the Walmart brand, but that's just what I use to kind of increase my supply. Now I'm going to share with you guys other stuff that I use. Now these are CVS wipes, okay? This is the Norwal one. As you guys see, I have wipes still left in here. I hated these. I hated them with a passion. My store no longer sells them anymore, but there are times where you guys can get these for free, which was nice. But I'm like, oh, I'm going to use these because it's good to use fragrance-free stuff. And I felt like this didn't do anything to take my makeup off. Like, I had to scrub and scrub and scrub, and it still would not take my makeup off, and I felt really kind of disappointed in it. I really love the Neutrogena wipes. I have used the Garnet wipes, and I've used Olay, but this CVS brand, I honestly do not recommend them. I mean, if you guys like them, you know, everybody's skin is different, everybody's opinion's different, but I just did not like those. I will not purchase these again. If they're free, I might give them to somebody, but I felt like they did not do its job at all. I'm trying to burn as many candles as I can, so I ended up using this one up. This was a Glade one I got from couponing. It was just regular vanilla. You know what, if you guys ever want like a good, you know, a good cheap candle, get the Glade ones. These are just as good as the, you know, Bath and Body Works ones, just any of them, and it's a good price. So finally used that up. I think I've had this in like my candle collection for like a couple years, and I'm like, we got to use this up. I know I'm going to say that you guys are probably going to judge me, but we give Ben Melatonin. Ben is a kid. We know he's ADD. I'm ADD. Grandma's ADHD. Ben, he'll wake up at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and he will go strong up until midnight if we let him. And I have to give him melatonin. We cut it in half and give him half of this. But this works out for us. Then he usually falls asleep within about a half an hour. But we've been using this for, you know, we didn't use it as much up until probably the last 6 months since Charlotte's been born. Because, like, I just need my alone time. I need my alone time, and there's times where it's like, he'd go to bed when we go to bed, and it's like, kid, you need to go to bed. But otherwise, he'll just keep going and keep going and keep going. So, if you guys ever need something like that, there are other ones, but we just cut this in half, and it works great. I ended up using this pumpkin apple candle. I got this last year, and I love this. This is Pumpkin Apple by Bath and Body Works. It is Red Delicious Apple, Fall Pumpkin, Fresh Grove Cinnamon, and Clove Buds. And it smelled so good. It cracked. Like, I kept lighting it, and then it would just, like, burn out. Like, there's still a good residue in there. One thing you could do is probably work on a project or something like that, if you guys want to do something like that. But, you know what? I don't care. I just want to get rid of these. So I used that one. This is one I've had for years. Oh, my doorbell's ringing. I've had this one for years, and I had it in my bathroom, and I'm like, I gotta use some of these candles up. So you guys can tell, like, this has obviously been in my storage, or it's been in my cabinet for a long time. But this was Vanilla Snowflake. It says a delectable fragrance, a creamy vanilla, winter mint, and a touch of coconut evokes a dreamy snowflake-filled day. So I don't even know if this even has a date on it when I bought it, because that is how old it is. Now the candles, this candle used to be $20. Now they charge $24.50. So you guys can tell this was from a couple years ago. I mean, it's old. I probably have had this maybe 4 years, maybe, you know, before I went all crazy. So you guys know I use the Herbal Essence Curl Mousse for my hair, and I love it. But I ended up having this, and I'm like, I gotta start using up products that I've used and never finished. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try this. So I ended up doing the Garnet Forties Curl Construction Creation Mousse. Now, I'm actually starting to like this a little bit more. Like this, the Herbal Essence is in my hair right now, and I feel by the end of the night, my hair gets in knots like crazy, but I feel by the end of the night, my hair is in knots, and I have to comb it out. This stuff, I felt like I didn't have as many knots in my hair as I usually do. So I was pretty excited to use this again, give it another try, and I feel like this does it. So I ended up buying some more. I'll still switch on and off until I get rid of it, but I think this might be a new favorite that I'm going to use. If you guys watched my recent Walgreens haul video, I tell you how much I love the Olay bars. I always get the sweet, or the mint strawberry. Every time I get a good deal, I try to get it. So this is that bar. You can smell it. I just love it. I just love it. I love it. So this summer, you guys saw me go crazy over Victoria's Secret. That's when I really started shopping at Victoria's Secret more, because they had some sprays that I fell in love with. It was like their summer thing, and they were all on clearance, so I just went crazy and bought a ton of them. But I ended up getting like a cherry one, a cake one, some other one, but this was Vanilla Remix, and I absolutely loved this spray. This is probably the fastest I've ever gone through a spray. If I wasn't changing it up a bit, I'd probably use this even more. But I got like 4 more of these. Like, this is how much I love this spray, but it smells so good. That's what I'm wearing right now. But I love this. I hope they make more of these next summer. But this just says Black Vanilla, Amber Sparks, and After Party. Now, I love Amber Romance. That's my go-to smell for Victoria's Secret. So maybe that's why I love this so much. But this was a repeat buy. I would definitely buy this again. If you guys even find any of these at your semi-annual sale that's going on right now, definitely check it out, because that's my favorite smell. There's a little bit left in here, but I don't really give a crap. This was the Glade Coconut Beach Woods. I don't even know if they even make this anymore. I gotta spray some down here. Yeah, I don't even know if they even make this anymore, but I really like the product, but you only get like literally this much in. If you guys hold it to a light, there was like a good chunk that didn't even have the product in it. But really liked it if you guys like a spray. It's very similar to like Febreze, just a little bit of a better smell. So would I buy this again? I would not pay full price for it, but if I got a really good deal couponing, I would definitely get it. But I'm not sure if they even make this anymore. So that's how long I've had the product. I have to take vitamin D for Miss Charlotte, so I got that, and I finally used those up. Husband finally, okay, so I've been trying to get him to use the older stuff that we have in our bathroom. Like, I'm gonna organize our bathroom, and I might do like a little organization of our bathroom closet so I can put my stockpile stuff in there. But I want to go through that better, and he finally used a bottle up. I'm like, Graham, start using this stuff up. But he like mixes and matches everything, and the stuff just gets old. Like, I had one of these that expired in 2016. It's like, Graham, you need to use the older bottles. Like, that's why they have a date on them, because some of the stuff has stuff in it that, you know, you want to use beforehand. So yes. A long time ago, I did an Ulta haul, and I ended up showing you guys that I bought a brush cleaning mitt. All it was like a 2-finger little silicone thing, and then I got some spray for it. And I never been able to use it. Well, I ended up getting some Jeffree Star brushes at Ulta. I had a $10 off coupon, plus I had enough points to get this. So I paid like, I think I paid like $12 for this thing, and it's like a $40, I think it's like 40 bucks is what it was. But I paid like $12 for this, and I've only used like 2 of the brushes. My camera died on me. But yeah, I was saying I really like these brushes, and I finally got to use this, and it was super easy to clean. So if you guys ever need to clean your brushes, like I slack at cleaning brushes, definitely go ahead and get this. It's just like a little pink rubber mat. I think this was like $4 or $5 for this. So really liking these brushes. I really am liking Jeffree Star makeup. Like, I just love it. Okay, I finally, I think in my last haul I had the conditioner, but I finally finished off the shampoo. This is an okay shampoo. Like, I grew up on Herbal Essence when I was a kid, but this was the white strawberry and sweet mint. It's not like the Olay, but it's an okay deal. I just had it in my bathroom and I needed shampoo like right now, and that's all I had. So definitely would use this again if I needed to. I like the smell. It's a very subtle smell. You guys want to know what my favorite laundry detergent is? Persil. I got this at Target a couple months ago when I got a really good deal, and we use this up pretty fast. Like, that's one thing we go through a lot is laundry detergent. Now there is some left, you guys. I really need to just let it be. I was tipping this upside down trying to get it to pour into another bottle, but it wouldn't because there's like a little rim thing. But you guys, like, I wanted to get to the very last bit of it, but I'm like, Jennifer, we have like 100 bottles at home. It's okay. It's okay. So finally used that up. I've been also trying to show you guys more more things that I've used. Now this one I got for the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. I think I got this for their summer sale. This was the brown sugar and fig. Now when I smelled it, I really liked it. This was fresh fig, coconut milk, and caramelized brown sugar. When I smelled it, it smelled good. But then when I started using it, it had a little bit of a different smell to it. Would I probably buy this again? The body wash, yes. Now I do have the spray. After using the spray a couple times, I didn't like it. I might give that away or just throw it away because it's like, it's okay. Or I might mix it up with some of my other sprays. But would I buy this again? Not at regular price, only if it was dirt cheap. And if I did buy it again, I maybe buy just one bottle. I think I bought one. I can't remember if I have one or two of these, but it's an okay, you know, deal. This is the hairspray that I have been using, is the Aussie. For a while there, I always thought it smelled like grapes. Like there's some kind of a scent in here. It got clogged up, so there's this like a tiny little bit left, and I'm like, I'm not wasting my time unclogging this, you know. So I ended up, you know, just using another one that I had. But I like this. I think Aussie's a good company. If I could get another hairspray, I probably would, but I'm totally cool with getting Aussie and continue using that. So yes. I also finished off the Tresemme Curl Care Flawless Curls. This is the same thing like the Garnier that I used. This one was okay. I felt like this gave me a lot of knots in my hair too, but my hair gets in knots pretty easy. But I thought, you know what, I'll just use it up. That's what I intentionally wanted to do. I lost the cover for it, but would I buy this again? Nah. Not really. Like, I wasn't a big fan of this, and that's why I used it, and then I went back to the Herbal Essence, and then I'm like, okay, I gotta finish this off. So I would only buy it again if it's like free, or I desperately needed something and I didn't have any other coupons. As you guys have been seeing, I've been doing dishes like crazy, and Palmolive is my go-to soap, so I just ended up finishing that off. These are the Olay wipes. Now these are like in the beauty section, right next to the register at Walgreens. These are like, I don't even know how much there is, but there's only 15 pads in here. I don't even know if there's any more in here. Like, yeah. I kept one in here, but like they're this small and they're super, super thin. I do like the Olay wipes, but I actually like the towelettes a little bit better than these ones. These ones I have to use like 3 to 4 to 5 wipes just to get the makeup off my face. So I just had this. This is a good travel size item. If you guys ever want to travel, you need something to bring with you, definitely go ahead, but make sure you guys have enough, because this stuff will, you have to use a lot. I mean, especially with getting the mascara off my eyes. Like, I spend probably one of those for each eye. That's how bad it is. So I've been really into moisturizing my face. For a while there, I was using like little samples of Olay and all this stuff that I've gotten for free. And so I ended up using this Garnet Skin Active Moisture Rescue. Now I used to get this like crazy. Now it's very hard to coupon for. Like, you can coupon for it, but with the deals that you can only use one coupon, it's kind of difficult. But This one was like for normal skin. I really liked it. It was like just like a gel feel. I mean, I don't know if it did anything different to my face. It just made, you know, they always say you should moisturize your face. So I ended up getting this. This took me a long time to use it because all I do is just put a finger in there and I dab, 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 and then I just wipe it all over my face. So it did take a long time to use this. This is a lot cheaper than if you guys get the Olay. If you guys saw when we did a really good deal with those $10 registry rewards, I ended up using some registry rewards to get an actual big jar of the Olay. I bought 2 of them, and I think I got them for like $1 or something because there was also a rebate with Saving Star. I like the Olay Regenerist. I also like the L'Oreal Revitalift. I don't really care, whatever, I can get a good deal for it. So the box is like a huge box, but the jar is pretty much about this size, maybe just a little bit bigger. But I like it. It smells great. It does, you know, it does what it does. It makes my skin feel nice and smooth. So this is what I am currently using right now. I have been using this for a couple weeks now. So we got that. And I just got a couple more things to share with you guys. When we bought this house, I wanted to get special soap. So I ended up buying this Disney soap. This is sold at Target. This was the Mickey Mouse Method soap. This has been in my bathroom forever. Like in my bathroom, I have like my main bathroom where anybody who visits us goes to the bathroom. I have like,
we had it downstairs, now it's gone because it's empty.
Yeah. But this is the soap, and then I have like 3 or 4 soaps for people to choose from because they might not want lemonade, citrus smelling soap. So I have different ones. So like both of these were in my bathroom. And again, there's just a little bit left. I don't know why I put this in here. Probably because I just wanted, I should probably use the rest of that. There's still a good amount in there. But this was vanilla coconut. I think I got this recently. I can't remember. But this was whipped vanilla, peach blossom, and warm coconut. It was pretty good. But there's just a little bit in there. I just kind of just got rid of it because I wanted a winter one. So again, I would buy this again. You know, it's very rare to get coupons for this. But, you know, it's cute if you guys want like a themed bathroom. Or you can always pour something like this into this if you guys want to go ahead and do that. And then I finally finished off a sample of the Garnet Forties Sleek and Shine. Anytime I ran out of shampoo, I'd always like just grab whatever I could, and that's what I would use. So now my cat's down by my feet and I can't stop petting her. But that was like my little empties. A lot of you guys really look forward to that, my opinions on it. I want to share with you guys a lot more stuff. I have a lot of stuff that's just about empty. So I want to share with you guys more of that stuff and share with you guys. That's Benjamin. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.